As the Indian life science industry rapidly becomes a key component of the global supply chain, occupying a prominent position propelling this growth is a young city, known not just as the jewel of the world due to its rich history, but also as the bulk drug capital of India, Hyderabad. Over the course of 2 decades, GVK Bio, headquartered in Hyderabad and driven by its singular vision of accelerating R&D for its partners, has grown to become one of the world's largest CRDOs, embodying the visionary aspirations of the city's thriving life science industry. At its very core, GVK Bio is shaped by its dedication to ensuring safety and compliance always. Growing over nearly 2 decades, GVK Bio has become home to more than 2,500 scientists who work with the purpose to accelerate R&D for over 450 clients globally. A knowledge-driven atmosphere at GVK Bio is sustained by our values and a love for science that defines a highly skilled workforce made up of PhDs and postdoctorates. GVK Bio follows a mission to consistently deliver value-added scientific solutions and form a partnership with our customers from around the world at any stage in their journey with a complete range of services, from drug discovery to development and manufacturing. GVK Bio is a world within a world, constructed upon world-class modern infrastructure and spread across 7 campuses in India and the USA, which include 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing units and an analytical services commercial testing laboratory. The first manufacturing unit, or Unit 1, is situated in Hyderabad, Telangana.
I'm Mani Kantipudi. I'm the CEO of GVK Bio. GVK Bio is a contract R&D organization. We accelerate the R&D of our customers globally. One of the core values of GVK Bio is safety and compliance always. And compliance here means regulatory compliance, financial compliance, compliance to the local laws, and compliance in every sense of the word.
Myself, Sudhir Kumar Singh. I'm a Chief Operating Officer of the company. I'm responsible for all the operations at GVK Bio.
This is Suvir Srivastava. I'm heading quality functions and regulatory affairs, providing world-class products and services to customers and ultimately to patients is our top priority at GVK Bio.
The Unit 1 manufacturing site was set up in 2005 and was amalgamated with GVK Bio in May 2018. The manufacturing unit offers a broad spectrum of process development and optimization services across multiple therapeutics and chemistry disciplines. Spread over a total site area of 60,000 square meters are 6 production blocks, A to F, including a warehouse, process R&D analytical labs, and a zero effluent discharge facility. A range of utilities like fire hydrants, water systems, nitrogen plants, compressed air and cooling towers, to name just a few, are distributed across the unit to provide vital manufacturing functions. All facilities meet the highest international standards and global requirements, in line with our commitment to complete safety and compliance at every stage. Each block has unique capabilities and is equipped with the most advanced manufacturing facilities. Blocks A to F are equipped with varying sizes of reactors, centrifuge, Nuske filters, dryers and flexi mills. Batch sizes range from block to block. From the CDS, a development service that GVK Bio provides, where the batch size is approximately 1 kg, to the CMS, a manufacturing service where the batch size can be up to 200 kgs. A range of quality control instruments and policies lend themselves to upholding stringent quality measures throughout the manufacturing unit. A common quality check that caters to all blocks is equipped with all testing instruments required to test as per Indian and international pharmacopoeia. We follow the most stringent CGMP norms and pharmacopoeia like USP, EP and JP, and guidelines like ICH. For testing and releasing of incoming raw materials, KSM, API, and stability studies. The manufacturing process of intermediates and APIs are developed and validated internally at GVK Bio or received through tech transfer. A predefined and approved batch of manufacturing records is followed and executed to assure quality of end product by sampling and analyzing in-process samples as defined by BMR, following standard test procedures and specifications. The finished products are packed and stored according to the best-in-class safety standards and finally released to market. GVK Bio's quality policy is implemented through a comprehensive quality management system, is flexible, yet complies with respective standards. Quality assurance and quality control functions are independent and are directly reported to the CEO. In addition to this, a specially designed DQA is responsible for quality requirements during development stages. We assure quality even during early phases of development through good documentation practices and required GMP in place. Each phase of development is documented, reviewed, approved, and archived. We develop, manufacture, supply products and deliver services using the appropriate science and facilities. The requirements of international regulatory agencies like US FDA, MHRA, TGA, EDQM, PMDA, MFDS, CDSCO, DCA, and ICH are followed right from the development stage. Our manufacturing site is audited by regulatory agencies and customers periodically as per their respective schedules. We have received accreditations for our quality management system and environment management systems in 2015 and for our occupational health and management systems in 2018. An integral part of our business and commitment to upholding quality is our environmental, health, and safety policies. To ensure our own safety and the safety of those we interact with regularly, we have extensive protocols and systems in place to be trained, to be prepared, to act, and to report. With on-site health facilities that provide the care we need, we all undergo periodic medical examinations and benefit from medical insurance. GVK Bio sees the environment it occupies as an extension of itself, and the same level of care is extended to ensuring energy conservation, waste management, water management, and green belt maintenance. Going beyond our primary business is a range of initiatives that has become the heart of the difference we wish to impact in the world. With Healthcare GVK EMRI, we established India's latest emergency response service, reaching out to 800 million people across the country. Other initiatives focus on serving community development needs and nurturing and encouraging art, culture, and sports. GVK Bio's manufacturing site, Unit 1, is positioned with the best policies, systems, and infrastructure, which enable us to serve our clients with a focused determination in the pursuit of science and the research and development that will impact lives and improve care for people all over the world.